How to intermittent fast properly. A step-by-step guide for beginners. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that has gained immense popularity in recent years due to its potential health benefits and weight loss properties. But before you dive into this new way of eating, it's important to know how to do it properly. That's why in today's video, we'll be providing a step-by-step guide for beginners looking to start intermittent fasting. Now let's get started. Step 1. Choose an intermittent fasting plan. There are several different types of intermittent fasting plans, and it can be difficult to know which one is right for you. One popular option is the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and only allow yourself to eat during an 8-hour window. Another option is the 5.2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict your calories for 2 days. We recommend starting with the 16/8 method, as it's easier to follow and more flexible. You can adjust your eating window to fit your schedule and gradually increase the fasting period as you become more comfortable with intermittent fasting. Step 2. Set realistic goals. When setting goals for intermittent fasting, it's important to be realistic and start small. For example, if you're new to fasting, don't start with a 24-hour fast. Instead, begin with shorter fasting periods, such as 12 or 16 hours, and gradually work your way up. It's also important to focus on the quality of your food choices during your eating window. Choose nutrient-dense foods that will keep you full and satisfied. This may include protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, and tofu, as well as healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates like fruits and vegetables. By setting realistic goals and focusing on the quality of your diet, you'll be more likely to stick to your intermittent fasting plan and see results. Remember that losing 1 to 2 pounds or 0.5 to 1 kilos per week is considered a healthy and sustainable rate of weight loss. Step 3. Listen to your body. One of the most important aspects of intermittent fasting is listening to your body and honoring its hunger and fullness cues. When you first start fasting, you may experience hunger pangs or irritability. However, these symptoms should subside after a few hours. If you find yourself feeling overly hungry or lightheaded, it may be a sign that you need to break your fast and have a snack or meal. On the other hand, if you feel a sense of fullness or satisfaction, it's a good idea to pause and listen to your body's cues. Don't overeat just because you feel like you can eat anything during your eating window. Instead, practice mindful eating and enjoy your food while paying attention to your body's signals. By tuning into your body's hunger and fullness cues, you'll be able to determine when you really need to eat and when you can continue fasting. This can help you avoid overeating and ensure that you're nourishing your body when it needs fuel. Step 4. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for successful intermittent fasting. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help curb hunger and prevent dehydration, which can sometimes be mistaken for hunger. Aim to drink at least 64 ounces or 1.9 liters of water daily. Additionally, you can infuse your water with natural flavors like lemon or cucumber to make it more enjoyable. You can also consume other non-caloric beverages like coffee, tea, and sugar-free sparkling water during your fasting period. Staying hydrated not only supports your overall health, but can also help you feel full and energized while intermittent fasting. Step 5. Be patient and consistent. The key to success with intermittent fasting, like any other lifestyle change, is patience and consistency. It may take time for your body to adjust to fasting, and you may not see results immediately. However, it's important to stick with your intermittent fasting plan and give your body time to adapt. Aim to fast for at least 16 hours per week and track your progress to stay motivated. Remember that everyone's body is different and the results may vary. So don't compare your progress to others and celebrate your own successes along the way. With patience and consistency, you'll eventually reach your desired results and reap the benefits of intermittent fasting. Step 6. Consult a healthcare professional. Before starting any new diet or exercise program, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. This is especially true for intermittent fasting, which can have significant impacts on your metabolism and eating habits. A healthcare provider can help you determine if intermittent fasting is right for you based on your individual needs and health status. They can also provide guidance on how to do intermittent fasting safely and effectively, as well as monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. Additionally, a healthcare professional can help you identify any potential risks or complications associated with intermittent fasting and provide tips on how to avoid them. It's important to prioritize your health and safety when trying any new diet or lifestyle change, and consulting a healthcare professional is an essential step towards doing so. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for weight loss and improving overall health. However, it's important to approach it in a sustainable and healthy way. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can set yourself up for success and minimize the risk of negative consequences. Remember to choose a fasting plan that fits your lifestyle, set realistic goals, listen to your body, stay hydrated, be patient, and consult a healthcare professional. With the right mindset and approach, intermittent fasting can be a positive and transformative experience. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to ask questions. We're here to support you on your journey towards better health and well-being. Thank you for watching and happy fasting. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if it was helpful. Stay tuned for more health and wellness tips. Have a great day.